Planning a trip to Brazil? Great choice. Beaches, jungles, festivals, it's got it all. But before you go, let's make sure your suitcase has everything you need. All right, first, clothes. Brazil is mostly warm, so pack light. A few t-shirts, shorts, dresses, and flip-flops. Don't forget your hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen. And if you're heading south, toss in a light jacket. Nights can get chilly. Planning to explore the Amazon or go hiking? You'll need good shoes, insect repellent, and a rain jacket. Keep a refillable water bottle with you, and maybe some wet wipes too. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Brazil's cities have style, especially Rio and São Paulo. Pack one or two smart outfits. A nice shirt or dress for dinners or parties. Comfortable shoes. You'll walk a lot. Heading to the beach? Of course you are. Bring swimsuits, a beach towel, and plenty of sunscreen. A hat and sunglasses will keep you cool under that Brazilian sun. Now don't skip on travel essentials. Passport and a visa printout, travel insurance, and your flight details. Carry some Brazilian reais in cash. Cards may not work everywhere. And keep digital copies of your documents saved safely on your phone. Let's talk gadgets. Phone, charger, camera, and a universal power adapter. Brazil uses Type-C and N plugs. Bring headphones. They'll make those long bus rides better. And that's it. You're ready to explore Brazil, from Rio's beaches to the Amazon's heart. Pack smart, travel light, and enjoy every moment.